Hello everyone, it's Fouladgar here, and on this episode we're going to talk about how do you become a person of value. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, why haven't you subscribed yet? Now if you did it, that's fine. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button so you do get notifications whenever I do publish any videos. So how do you become a person of value? There's 4 ways actually. Or before we actually start, why is it important to become a person of value? We all want to become successful, isn't that right? Okay, so to become successful, to make money, to get the greater things in life, you have to be a person that gives value to the world. It's very simple. So don't aim to be successful, aim to become a person of value. We always hear that, how do you give value more than ever? But how do you give value? I'm going to give you the ways today, all right? Today's your lucky day, my friends. So there's 4 ways. The first way is work on yourself consistently. Every day, make sure that you improve yourself by at least 1%. Read, learn, go to seminars, go to trainings, get a coach, get a mentor, whatever it is that you need to do, work on yourself. We're created into environments where we can get good things that support us, beliefs that can support us, and bad things or limiting beliefs. We acquire these from our families, we acquire these from our friends, from the culture, from the media, whatever it is. If you got some great stuff that are supporting you, beliefs that are supporting you, amazing, keep them. But there's a point where you have to stop blaming other people for your shortcomings. You can't keep blaming people and expect for yourself to improve. Your job is to make sure that you actually overcome these shortcomings, overcome these limiting beliefs that you've acquired through time, and you do that by working on yourself consistently. Okay, so if you improve yourself by 1%, at least 1% every day, by reading, learning, doing something different, going on a different experiencing, challenging yourself, if you just work 1% on yourself every day, by 1 year, you would have improved 365%. So that's the first way. The second way is give people what they want. Support people on achieving their goals. Support people to become successful. You know, this is something that's very important because we see the superficial stuff that people need, but what do they really want? I'll give you an example. So I led a team of salespeople at some point, and the reason why I was successful as a leader, okay, I wasn't born successful as a leader. It took me a lot of time and I failed a lot. So I'm telling you, just the summary of it. When I realized that my job is to give these people what they wanted, not just the salary, but give them what they listen to what they want. I knew that this person wanted to lose weight. I knew that this was a mother that wanted to raise her child in the best way possible. This guy wanted to become a CEO at some point. I knew each and every person's personal goals. Professional or personal. Okay, and then I worked on giving them exactly what they want. I worked on making them succeed at their goals. Now, if you're always giving people what they need and what they want, you're definitely going to become a successful person. People are going to just float to you by their nature. Okay, and that's 2. 3 is resolve people's problems. Resolve people's problems and their fears. Money is not the result of just sitting there. Money is the result of solving problems. It's the result of adding value to people. Just think about it. I mean, millionaires and billionaires are the results of solving people's problems and resolving their fears on a very, very high scale. It's a no-brainer, You want to become a millionaire? Just solve thousands and thousands and millions of people's problems. It's so simple. People are not going to tell you what they're afraid of. You know why? It's because of their egos. People are not going to tell you, I'm afraid of this, or I'm afraid of looking bad, or I'm afraid of losing my job. Your manager is not going to tell you, listen, do this job because I'm afraid of losing my job. No. They're not going to tell you that. But you have to listen to what's behind their words and try to identify what their fears are and resolve them for them. If you're working on yourself, giving people what they want, also solving their problems and their fears, definitely you are a very valuable person. Think about all the successful people. There are people that can give immense amount of values. They solve problems, they give people what they want, and I'm definitely sure that these people have worked on themselves consistently. Fourth thing that you need to do is make people feel great around you. We all know these managers that as soon as they enter the room, you feel like the oxygen has been sucked out of your body just by how draining they are, just by the bad energy that they give to you, just by the lower frequency or the lower consciousness emotions that they give to you. So, and you know other people, as soon as they enter the room, people's eyes light up, people start smiling, people start laughing, people start enjoying themselves, because this is how you give value to people. You make them feel great. Think about it. Entertainers, performers, actors, these people make you feel great. Not just great, they take you on an emotional roller coaster. When you watch a movie, you're going on a journey emotionally. Nothing really happened, but you're feeling different ranges of emotions. It's an exciting journey for you. So if you're able to take people on emotional journeys that really spike them up and make them feel great and amazing about themselves, you are definitely a person of value. So these are the 4 ways to add value to people. Okay, by the way, you can change one of them. You can just focus on one of them and you are a person of value. If you work on all 4 of them, you become a force of nature. You become an unstoppable force. If you're consistently working on yourself, if you're giving people what they want, you're supporting them on their goals and their values and what they really value and making them succeed every day. If you're solving people's problems and resolving their fears, if you're also making them feel great around you, you're definitely a force. So, work on these 4, become a person of value, and success is guaranteed to be yours, my friend. Definitely. And always remember to become the most unlimited version of yourself, period.